Productivity and accountability. Productivity. It is prioritizing planning, applying knowledge and skills to make decisions that create quality results in an ever-changing environment. Individuals and teams demonstrate initiative, self-direction, personal responsibility to add value to the world around them. Accountability. It is demonstrating efficient time management, appropriate resource allocation, personal integrity, self-monitoring to meet the demands of productivity. Individuals and teams recognize the interconnectedness of their actions at all levels. Here are two lessons ideas that utilize productivity and accountability. Research project students are to research a topic collecting at least a given number of resources. Students then use those sources to create a web-published document discussing the research topic that their peers can leave comments on. Each student reads and comments on a given number of other students' topics. Each student compiles a reflected paper using what they have researched and the input from peers. This project can either be done as an individual or group project. Students' accountability project. At the beginning of the quarter, our unit students will come up with a set of number of personal goals. Each student will then create a timeline using Google Calendar to manage how they will achieve their goals. During the unit or quarter, students will periodically meet with their teacher to discuss their progress towards meeting their end of unit or quarter goals. At the end of the unit or quarter, students will write a paper on how will they work to reach their goals and what changes they would make in order to reach all their goals during the next unit or quarter. 21st century productivity and accountability reflect ability to acquire new learning on one's own, application of appropriate process and tools to facilitate task completion, self-sufficiency as required in a complex environment, identification of valuable opportunities, motivation and commitment to achieve, assuming leadership roles, building entire learning and experience to apply knowledge and skills in a variety of contexts, self-confidence and self-respect. Leadership and responsibility. The key skills for a leader in 2018 include teamwork, high EQ, and focus. These things are crucial for managing yourself and managing others. EQ involves self-awareness and social awareness, an understanding of people, and good relationship management. This allows you to understand and be responsive to your own needs and the needs of people around you. It will foster communication and collaboration, which is the path to unlocking collective genius. Effective leaders work with those around them, making a habit of seeking constructive feedback and reflecting on how things can be improved. They recognize the importance of collaboration to unlocking collective genius, but they also know how to set boundaries. If you're a school leader, you know how precious your time is. Guard it as such. Don't waste time on my things that could be emails, tasks better suited to somebody else's skill set, and things that don't contribute to either your personal goals or the school's goals. That's all. Thank you.